What's up you guys, this is Vincanity, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 3 basic things that I want you guys to add to the end of your practices to basically help you get stronger. A lot of people always ask me like, what could I do to get stronger? And obviously you could dedicate days to working out and getting stronger, like a lot of us do. But if you don't have enough time, this is something that you guys could do in the last 30 to even 15 minutes of your practice. If you guys are interested in training with me more closely, I do live stream workshops every single month on my Patreon. Make sure you guys click the link below, hop in, and we'll definitely be training, working out, all that stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, so we're gonna be doing a circuit of 3 different workouts, meaning we're gonna go from one to the other, okay? The first one is push-ups, right? Getting our arms and just core body stronger is gonna allow us to do things that we couldn't do in the weeks before, right? By constantly improving our strength, right? This is also gonna help us prevent a lot of injuries, right? When we are stronger, we tend to have more control, we get injured less, okay? So this is gonna help us overall in our dancing. If you are familiar with push-ups, you know there's a lot of different ways to do them, okay? Right? A lot of different hand forms, arm placements, but what I found is the safest push-ups, especially for our shoulders, are gonna be in this range. So for today, we're gonna be doing our push-ups in this range, and if you guys want to, you could actually do them on either your fingertips, on your inner knuckles right here, or just flat-handed. The reason why I sometimes like to do on my fingertips or inner knuckles is because it does help improve your forearm and wrist strength. It helps strengthen this part of your arm so that you again get less wrist injuries, right? It helps strengthen that. So if you guys want to start off like this, and then if you get too tired, you can go to here, okay? So for our first time working out, we are just gonna do 10. I know that sounds like a small number for some of you guys, but as you get stronger, we're gonna increase this 5 more, right? So we're gonna start off with 10, we're gonna eventually do 15, 20, and then 25, right? But we're gonna start off with just 10. So for the push-ups, we're gonna go right here on our inner knuckles. Again, making our back straight, making sure we're pushing into the ground. And what we're gonna do is lower our arms, again, to our side, just like this. And go down until you get your arms to like a 90-degree angle, so almost where you're touching the ground, right? Not quite, but almost, okay? So we're here, we're gonna drop down. Again, you wanna get your elbows to about 90 degrees, and then we push up, okay? Since we are trying to increase our strength and control, let's actually do what's called a 8-count push-up. Okay, this will also get you guys counting in 8 counts, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it, ready? Going down, ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. All right, perfect. And those of you who are used to doing push-ups really fast, you're gonna notice by doing them slow, it actually makes you a lot more tired. It requires more control going down and also pushing up, so it does make you a little bit more tired. So again, that's why we wanna start with just 10 and build our way up. Okay, after that, the second thing we're gonna do is sit-ups. And I've done these sit-ups in videos before, but again, we're gonna start off by just sitting just like this with our legs out. I call these Taekwondo sit-ups because I learned them in Taekwondo, but you could call them whatever you like, okay? We put our legs out and we lay flat with our legs floating above the ground, okay? And what we're gonna do is, as we sit up, we pull our legs in here, keeping them off the ground. And your hands can either float right here, or you can touch the ground if you need extra balance, okay? The whole goal, again, is to get that balance going from here to here, okay? We're gonna just do 20 since this is our first time doing it, but again, eventually you keep adding 5 more, and eventually you're gonna work your way all the way up to 50 sit-ups. But for now, let's just do 20, okay? Go ahead and lay down, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. One thing you guys want to try to do is really control the sit-up all the way to here instead of just like kicking your legs all over the place. Okay, so control it. Okay, now the last one. A lot of people would probably from here go to like holding a plank, right, or some type of freeze, right, and which is something you guys could always replace this section with, holding some type of freeze. But we want to try to hold a basic freeze, which is the basic of the basic freezes, and that is a handstand. Okay, you could do this in a couple of different ways. If you have a nice handstand, you could just literally go here and hold your handstand, okay? And you can hold it for 10 seconds. If your handstand is really terrible, you could do a couple of things, and these are your options, okay? So tuck in your shirt so your shirt doesn't fly over. And what you can do is kind of just like go into this like yoga position, like a downward dog, and push your weight onto your hands like this, so you really feel the weight on your hands and hold this, okay? Another thing is if you have access to a yoga ball, you could kind of simulate that same position like this and lift up and really put that weight onto your hands, okay? So since we're already here, let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, really pushing into the ground. Okay? Now, moving back to our push-ups. Right? Here we go. Hands down. Again, I'm gonna go into this position. My arms going this way, right? Versus like all the way up here. This is a little bit safer for our shoulders. Okay? And here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. All right, and moving straight into our sit-ups. Here we go. Legs out. Again, always give yourself a second to breathe. Breathe out. Right? But especially if you only have 15 minutes left of practice, you gotta hustle. Okay? Here we go. Next one. Legs up. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And to our handstand. Again, last time I used the yoga ball, I'm gonna do it as if you don't have a yoga ball. Again, hands here, tuck in your shirt so it doesn't fly up, and lifting up, walking your way up on your tippy toes, putting your weight onto your arms, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job, you guys. And last set. We're doing the circuit 3 times. So again, moving right back into our push-ups. Here we go. Again, with our hands right here. Here we go. Going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. All right, now on to our sit-ups. Again, last set. Legs out. Again, make sure you catch your breath, especially if you're counting out loud and you're really tired from that counting. Here we go. Ready? Legs out. Hold it straight and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Now, last one. Since I've already showed the yoga ball, and without the yoga ball, let's just do a normal handstand, okay? If you can't hold it, walk around again for 10 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just like that, my friends, you are now done with your practice, all right? Again, this is a workout intended for the last 15 minutes of your practice. So if you guys want to use this video, you can put this video on and go through it, or if you remember it, just do it on your own. This is, again, something that's not only going to strengthen your arms, but just the core of your body. And if you guys know anything about strength needed for breaking, it is core strength. Not just having sturdy arms, but just a sturdy body that can enable you to do a lot of the moves that we do in breaking. Again, take your time on these workouts and make sure you give yourself enough time to get through it at the end of your practice. And again, if you guys want to train more closely with me, you could join my Patreon group listed below. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you guys leave me a comment below telling me a little bit about what you're interested in seeing. And again, if you support this channel and support what we do, make sure you guys press like and subscribe to help really push this video and this channel to new heights. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace.